Hi everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on Northwest Registered Agent. I'm going to be showing you how to form your LLC. Essentially, I'll walk you through the process step by step, explaining the benefits and features of using Northwest Registered Agent for your LLC formation. So by the end of this video, you will not only have a clear understanding of how to form your LLC, but you'll also be equipped with all the tools needed to get your business off the ground quickly and efficiently. And before we dive right into the video, I want to mention that we have an affiliate link for Northwest Registered Agent in the description box down below. Upon using this link to start your LLC, you'll be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. Starting with, why should you choose Northwest Registered Agent? Well, it's a reputable company that offers LLC formation services in all 50 states. They are very well known for their excellent customer service and comprehensive support throughout the LLC formation process and beyond. And to actually form your LLC using the platform, you want to navigate to their website using the link in our description. On their homepage, you will find a button that says Start an LLC. You want to click on it to initiate the process. As you can see, the fees for starting an LLC using Northwest will be $39 plus the state fees. So you want to select a state to get started. Let's say I want to form an LLC in New York. So from the drop down option right here, we can select New York and then proceed to the next steps. The very first one is to enter the company name. So you want to enter your desired business name, followed by the company's designator. So for example, you can go for LLC or limited liability company, L.L.C. Choose the one that best fits you, and then onto the right you will see a real-time update of the articles of organization. You will see the information being added to this document in real time as you enter the name or edit it, etc. So select the name and then click next. After that, we need to enter the county in New York State where the LLC office is located. So go ahead and enter the county's name. If you don't have one already, then you can add a professional registered agent service using Northwest Registered Agent. It will automatically fill in the details for this one, and you will get a 1 year of free registered agent service, and then after that you will have to pay for it. Keep in mind that you can always cancel the service after the first free year and then choose yourself as your own registered agent. So choose the option that best suits you and then click next. After that, you will have the organizer section. From here, you can either enter your own details, or if you want to keep your privacy protected, then you can hire someone to file for you. And you can do that by clicking on this option right here. It will automatically choose someone that works with Northwest Registered Agent that will actually hold the formation process entirely for you. Now keep in mind that these services, while they come at a competitive price, they are not free. And if you want to check the pricing for each and every single one of these services, then go ahead and navigate to this page right here. And you can actually read through it and see how much each one of these services would cost if you want it to be done for you. So let's say I'm going to continue with organizing being formed by Northwest Registered Agent. I'm going to select the professional formation service active and then move on to the next step. After that, you'll be asked to add more information about your business. So the management type right here, whether it's member managed or manager managed. So for example, I'm going to continue with the member managed and then enter my own member details, which basically include your first and last name, and then you can use your own address and this may become a public address. Or if you want to keep your privacy protected, then you can continue with the virtual address provided by Northwest Registered Agent. And essentially it's a virtual address in the state that you want to form your LLC in. It will receive all of your documents and then forward them to you. This helps keep your address and privacy protected. And for example, if you have a vacation and you're not currently in the address provided, using this service will help keep everything in check until you come back. So I'm going to select their service and then move on to the next step. Moving on, we have to verify our order for the LLC that we have just formed. It will confirm whether the name that you have selected is available or not. And if it is, you want to click on continue. From there, you will be taken on a step-by-step process in order to finalize your order. So you've got information to be filled. This double checks if everything has been provided already or not. And then you've got the processing time. And for that, we've got two options, either the normal processing time, and it is for free, of course. So you've got the state processing time, and it will give you an estimate on when it will be actually filed. Or if you are in a hurry and you want it to be filed as soon as possible, then you can go with the other option, pay an additional $99 and have it done for this state in only 1 extra business day. So if you don't want that to be done, click on the no thanks, decline the offer, and then move on to the online presence. You can check what's included in this offer, but most of them you can actually get them done yourself. You just have to learn how to actually do them, or maybe you just have them done already for you. So go ahead and click on no thanks. If the offer does appeal to you, then add bundle and continue with the offer. And the last step would be to verify that everything is correct. If everything looks good for you, then you move on to the billing information section. From here, you'll be presented with the total of today's process, which basically include the state filing fees, the $39 by Northwest Registered Agent, and then any other additional service that you would have to pay for. After that, you simply add a payment method, which is essentially a credit card or some of the sort, enter your billing information and submit your request. Once you've submitted this order, Northwest Registered Agent will begin processing your LLC formation and you will receive updates on your account dashboard. You will get notified once your LLC is officially formed and your EIN is received. So in conclusion, starting an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent is a very straightforward task that can be completed entirely online. As you've seen from today's video, their platform simplifies the complex paperwork and ensures that you are set up correctly from the start. And that will be all on today's video. If you found it to be helpful, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.